what we do is we take some graphite and we place it on some tape, sticky tape.
Just standard.
Yeah, you can use
standard
standard
tape.
scotch tape if you want.
Yeah.
But we have a tape here which doesn't have as much residue for our purposes as scotch tape. So then you just press the graphite like this.
It's quite squidgy, isn't it?
Yeah. Press the graphite on the tape. And then you can take an impression like this. So when you press the tape together, you're basically removing a few layers.
Okay,
so if you look there,
so it's tearing it off. And
yeah. So we
seems to be quite. It's different in different places, isn't it? It's not an even layer.
No, it comes off in terraces.
Yeah.
So we just remove the excess graphite like this, and at the moment it's quite thick, right? This is still graphite. You can still see it with the naked eye.
Yeah.
What we have to do is then make it a little bit thinner. So we would then press again.
So just repeat exactly the same.
Exactly,
yeah.
And cleave like this. And so each time you do that, you're making the graphite pieces thinner and thinner and thinner. So we just do it a couple more times until we get a nice coverage. What we then do is we have a piece of silicon.
Okay.
So we just put the tape on the silicon like this. Give it a nice firm press. And what's important is you need the silicon to be really clean. So if silicon's not clean, the graphene won't stick.
So how would you do that? How would you ensure it was clean?
We clean it in solvents, acetone, IPA.
Yeah.
And then as soon as we have it nice and clean, we then press the graphite onto it. So it doesn't have a chance for any sort of hydrocarbons or water to get on the surface.
Is that why we're wearing all this gear as well?
Yeah, exactly.
Keep the dirt
out.
Yeah,
because your fingers are quite oily.
Yeah.
So once we press the flakes onto the surface, we then just grab the edge of the tape, and the trick is to actually remove the tape quite slowly. Yeah, and that's a nice. So if you do it too quickly, then
what would happen?
You don't the layers don't cleave that well, right? And so
by cleaving, you mean just
separating?
Separating.
Yeah,
the planes.
exactly. Yeah, separating the planes. So when you separate the planes nice and slowly, you get a higher chance of leaving some graphene on the surface.
Okay.
So you just slowly remove the tape like that.
Okay, I see.
And you can't really see it with the naked eye, just like that. So what we would then do is then transfer the sample to a microscope, where we can have a closer look and inspect